you paired up with 50 Cent for a while.
Yeah, with 50. Yeah, we hooked up with 50.
So, but you parted because of creative differences.
Yeah.
What was that about?
That's 50 Cent. I'm Billy Danze. We're MOP. If I did what 50 Cent does, then I wouldn't be Billy Danze. I wouldn't be MOP. You know what I mean? So, and 50 do what he do, and we do what we do. It's no hard feelings or nothing. It just didn't work out. That's it. And 50, I have a great deal of respect for 50 Cent, and he has made sure that I know myself personally that he has a great deal of respect for me. So, hats off to 50 Cent.
You all have a very dedicated fan base. Things are going well. What's up next for you?
Well, the MOP album is dropping.
Foundation.
Foundation is called.
When's that?
August. In August, that's dropping. And
Late August.
late August. And after that, we made a promise to our fans that we will drop from 4 to 6 projects from the time that we drop Foundation in a 12-month period. So we're gonna be out there.
You're gonna be busy.
It's okay. I've been busy all my life. How about it?
All right, last question. The First Family.
Yes.
That, was written well before the Obamas came into office, but it seems to have renewed relevance now. Can you tell me what was it about when you wrote it, and how does it apply to what we see today?
What it is from my view, it's where we grew up at. It seemed like everybody was against us, so we had to make the decision to keep a strong hold with the people that was close to us, and nothing else mattered. Like, the family was first, and that's it. Like, I'm not talking about my blood cousins, of course them, but these are guys that I grew up with in the street. So it's always family first, and it's very important to us that people understand about family, and not just your street crew, just period. Like, the people that you love, they always first. So you always gotta make sure that they know that. You know what I mean? Because
it's Foundation. Pick that up in August.
Yes, please do. So make sure people know how you feel about them.
Well, and maybe you all could come out with like a remix or something for the Obamas. Sure, I'll be on it.
Yeah, you could be on it. Yeah, you'll be on it. You know what I mean? We get the First Family remix going on. Word up. That'll be nice.
Well, thank you so much.
Michelle could do the beat.
There you go. Yeah, and
We're First Family for life. Obama's gonna be First Family for at least 4 years.
Yeah.